Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Learning Channel, English Vocabs. Apron. Whenever I cook, I wear an apron. Bowl. Sift the flour and baking powder into a mixing bowl. Measuring cup. I need a measuring cup to make this recipe. Please pass me the measuring cup from the drawer. Chopping board. The chopping board is essential for cutting vegetables safely. Grater. I used the grater to shred the carrots for the salad. Plates. She quickly put the plates in the dishwasher. Rolling pin. Use a rolling pin to flatten the dough. Whisk. Whisk the egg whites until stiff. Whisk the egg and then add the flour. Wooden spoon. A wooden spoon can be used to stir any dish in any type of vessel. Strainer. After boiling the pasta, I drained it in a colander, which is a type of strainer. Spoon. He stirred his coffee with a spoon. Use a spoon to carefully pour the sauce over the meat. Ladle. I used a ladle to serve the hot soup into bowls. She used a ladle to pour the sauce over the pasta. Knife. This knife is used to cut meat. Fork. We use a fork to eat food. I used a fork to eat my salad. Peeler. I always use a vegetable peeler to peel the potatoes. Blender. I need to blender the ingredients for the cake batter. Kettle. A kettle is a pot made for boiling water. Juicer. We have a juicer in the kitchen to make fresh juice. Pressure cooker. Meat was cooked in a pressure cooker. Glass. Glass is transparent. Microwave. The microwave oven is a convenient appliance for reheating coffee or tea. Chopsticks. We ate with chopsticks. Cup and saucer. He is drinking with a cup and saucer. jar. I need to buy a jar of pickles for the party. Spatula. She chopped at the hamburger meat in the skillet with a spatula. Bottle. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.